Canadian Truck Driver Application Guide. If you are in luck, if you want to work as a transport truck driver in Canada and eventually become a permanent resident, regardless if you have what it takes to work as a transport truck driver in Canada, we have you covered. What's more, Canada is one of the best countries in which to relocate and enjoy the top services in a variety of fields. Canada has you covered in terms of health, education, and everything else. Do you wish to learn more? Follow along as we reveal everything you need to know about becoming a transport truck driver in Canada. It comprises a definition, title, and a prescription of job, as well as the best parts and steps to work in Canada. What does a transport truck driver do? A transport truck driver delivers items across the country for transportation companies. They can deliver consumers' goods within a local region of various items across the country. Large truck drivers drive large vehicles or urban, interurban, provincial, and international routes to convey commodities and supplies. They work for transportation, manufacturing, distribution, and moving organizations, as well as trucking employment service agents, or they can work for themselves. Driver for special purpose trucks and shunters who move trailers to and from loading docks within trucking yards or lots are also included in this unit group. Job descriptions of a transport truck driver. The following is a list of common activities that transport truck driver must do in Canada. 1. Long-haul transport truck driver. Pre-trip, en route, and post-trip inspections of vehicle systems, equipment, and accessories such as tires, lights, turn signals, brakes, and cold storage are all recommended. Operate predominantly straight trucks on local and short interurban routes to convey products and supplies. Plan the logistics of your journey and secure the papers you will need to transport items. To transport merchandise or foreign lines, you will need to obtain special permissions and other documentations. To ensure cargo is adequately secured in compliance with safety requirements and follow dangerous goods transportation safety measures. Drive in a convoy or as part of a two-person squad. Keep track of cargo information, service hours, distance travel, and fuel consumption. Transporting hazardous materials or dangerous goods is possible. Maintain logbooks, either manually or electronically, and administer bills of lading. It is possible that you have to fix something on the side of the road in an emergency. Using communication device and on-board computers, communicate with the dispatcher, other drivers, and clients. 2. Short-haul and local transport truck drivers. Load trucks, dump trucks, hydrovac trucks, and cement mixing trucks are examples of special purpose trucks that may be driven. Operate predominantly straight trucks on local and short interurban routes to convey products and supplies. Perform pre-trip, en route, and post-trip inspections and supervise all parts of vehicles, including equipment condition and cargo loading and unloading. Examples of job titles under transport truck driver in Canada. Knowing the job description is crucial. You will want to work as a transport truck driver in Canada. You should also be aware of the various job titles and tasks you can take on. Bulk goods driver, dumpster truck driver, coal hauler except undergo mining, heavy truck driver, flatbed truck driver, escort transportation, gravel hauler, cement truck driver, construction, logging truck driver, moving truck driver, gravel truck driver, low bed semi-trailer driver, gasoline truck operator, musket tracker operator, liquid fertilizer truck driver, oil transport driver, log hauler, log truck driver, freight truck driver, dump truck driver, dangerous goods truck driver, fuel oil truck driver, automobile transport driver, Adrovac truck operator, mobile cement mixer driver, line haul driver, explosive truck driver, George's long haul drivers. Employment requirement to move to Canada as a transport truck driver. To operate as a transport truck driver in Canada, you must have the following requirements. Secondary school graduation is frequently required. On-the-job training is available. Driving articulated trucks may necessitate additional endorsements or certifications. It may be necessary to complete a 5-month recognized driver education course at a trade school or community college. Straight body trucks require a Class 3 or D driver's license. Drivers who transport hazardous items or dangerous commodities must have transportation of dangerous goods TDG accreditation. Drivers who operate vehicles with air brakes must have their air brake endorsement Z. Driving long combination vehicles necessity of Class 1 or A license. With extra training or experience, you may be able to advance to supervisory position or non-driving jobs such as a driver trainer, safety officer, or truck dispatcher. Okay, exclusions for transport truck drivers under NOC code 7511. In Canada, the following groups are not included in the category of transport truck driver. They are as follows: those who operate light trucks, drivers of snow plows and garbage trucks, supervisors, drivers and other transportation operators, dispatchers, assistant drivers, trainers for truck drivers. Requirement to move to Canada as a transport truck driver. To work as a transport truck driver in Canada, you must generally meet a certain standard. These criteria are grouped into 2 categories. They include the general requirement and the specific requirement. General requirement to move to Canada as a transport truck driver. The following are the general prerequisites for moving to Canada as a transport truck driver. 1. Language. In general, if you want to work in Canada, you need to show confirmation of your language skills. As a result, you must demonstrate that you can write, read, and speak official language of Canada, that is English and French. As a result, you have to take at least one of the language competence tests, such as the IELTS, the TOEFL, the PTE or CAE